welcome back to another video. Today's video is actually a surprise video. I had no idea that this was going to be happening, so I decided to film it for you guys. I got a box all the way from Japan from my best friend Sophia. Sophia, if you're watching, thank you so much for this surprise. I had no idea that she was sending a box of goodies for Thomas and I from Japan, so I have already opened it, but I want to do an unboxing video of all the wonderful things that Sophia got us. So we love you, Sophia. Okay, let's dive right into all of these goodies. So first things first, we have one for Tom and one for me. These face masks, you have Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps from Zootopia. So there's a picture right there of the face mask looks like, and these are just super cute and very Japanese. They do a lot of really cute like face masks. We saw some face masks when we were in the park, and I thought about getting one just for the sake of it because it was really cute. And Tom was like, oh, we're never gonna need those. Well, COVID. So yeah, I can't wait to wear these. These are super cute. The next item that Sophia got us are these little bean snacks. I don't really know what to, sorry, pea snacks, not bean snacks. I thought they were like snapping peas. They're just from the 7-Eleven. They look like a puff chip. I'm sure Thomas will devour these. The next item that Sophia sent are these edamame crisps. I quite like edamame, so hopefully they taste good. Now, some of these snacks we did have when we were in Japan, and a lot of these are just random cute things that Sophia decided to send. So the next one, there's one for me and one for Tom. It is Pokemon noodles. So it's just ramen, but I think I don't know if it's Pokemon shaped or maybe it's just Pokemon themed. Not exactly sure, but noodles. This snack Thomas and I did try when we were in Japan, and they're like little French fry crisps. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, there's a picture of potato on it. So now we have all of these, which are Mentos, which we have a lemon cola flavor, a salty lychee, which is what Tom has already opened, and orange ginger. Now, since this is already open, I'm gonna go ahead and have one and tell you guys what it's like. It's just sweet. I wouldn't guess that it tastes salty at all. I don't really like actually eating real lychees, but lychee flavor is actually quite good, so yeah, that's fun. Which are these jelly beans? I think I would pronounce this as poiful, like playful, poiful. There are raspberry, apple, lemon, and grape flavored. I'm not a huge jelly bean fan, so I'm not gonna try these for you guys, but Tom liked them. This next item is kind of a staple flavor for Japanese candies and things, which is melon flavor, and it's like the little puffy marshmallows. This next item is just a little treat. It is mini colas, but they sound hard, like a Tic Tac. Let me see if I can open it. Oh. It's a hard candy. That tastes like cola. Yeah, next item, Thomas and I brought a whole bunch of these home, which is flavored Kit Kats. Strawberry was actually Tom's favorite. We also had melon ones and banana ones, but Japan is known for kind of different candy, out there flavors, but Kit Kats in particular are one thing that people are always amazed by, because we only usually have chocolate flavored Kit Kats, but not like fruit flavored. So I do know, because we have tried these, that these are very good. Now we're getting into some chocolates. We have a packet of chocolate Pockies, which I know that they sell these outside of Japan. I have seen them in America and in France. It's just a little like breadstick that's dipped in chocolate, but really good if you like mix it into your hot chocolate or something. Just so Japanese and so cute. It makes me think of Mario, but it's these like little chocolate covered mushrooms. Oh, my TV has turned itself on. They're not mushrooms that are covered in chocolate. Hold on. They are chocolate looking mushrooms is what I mean to say. So yeah, I think it's a biscuit and then the top part is chocolate. From the picture on the back, that's what I'm guessing. But next two are the same brand but two different flavors. We have a bar of what looks like white chocolate and a bar of, it looks like pistachio and chocolate, milk chocolate. Yeah, so Tom will definitely want to get into this. He loves trying any kind of unique thing. When we were in Japan, he was all about trying different flavors of things that he has never seen before or something that we would never see for us normally, which would be like, you know, pistachio chocolate. Sophia and I share the love of chipmunks, so she must have gotten these at Disney, but they are the Chippendale chocolate chip cookies. They're just regular chocolate chip cookies. They don't have like anything specific on them, but they do have Chippendale on the packaging, which I appreciate because we both have a love for the boys. These next items are non-food related, but they are super cute and I'm very excited that she sent them. It is these hand sanitizers. So one is Chippendale, which is obviously for me, and then a little alien for Tom. And I just think the boys are so cute. And yes, we are definitely putting these on our work bags from the parks, which is probably my favorite part of it, of course. So it comes with this cute bag. So it's Mickey on this side with Disneyland. And then on this side we have Minnie, which is like the Tokyo Sea Park. We kept all of our bags for when we went to Japan because they have cute and unique things on them, and they say like Tokyo Disney Resort, and I don't know what we're ever gonna do with them, but they're super cute. And we have some with like Shelly May and Duffy and all of those characters, which are really big in the Asian parks. So yes, I love the bag. Besides what's in the bag, I love the bag just as much as I love the things that are inside of it. So she spoiled us rotten and she got us each a shirt. So there's this one first. Everything is wrapped in plastic, so apologies that it's like really crinkly and loud, but I haven't taken it out of its packaging yet. It's Tokyo Disney Resort 83 on it. This one, it says it's size 150, so I don't know which one's for me and for Tom, but we'll take it out and we'll try them on and we'll figure it out. But Tokyo Disneyland doesn't really have as much merch as we thought it would. We did get these really cute shirts. If I have a picture of us, I'll put them on the screen, and they say Tokyo Disney Resort in Japanese, and that was kind of the only thing that we could really find that was super unique and that we really wanted. But these are really simple and cute, which I'm very excited about because now we can have a second shirt. This one, it's not like from the Olympics, even though Tokyo just did host the Olympics, but it reminds me of the Olympics. And it's Mickey, and oh, so this one's a small, so I think this one's for me. And it's Mickey with a flag. It says 1983, which is the year that Tokyo Disneyland opened. And it's just little Mickey, and I think it's subtle, and that's why I like it so much. Same with this one. It's not crazy in your face. Our other ones, like I said, they're written in Japanese, which is super unique, which is why we decided to go ahead and get it. But a lot of merchandise in Tokyo Disney Resort is catered to the Japanese who are more into like stationery. So they had lots of packets of pens and pencils and just little tiny things. So that is it for my little surprise unboxing from Sophia. She is the sweetest. I'll put her link down below she actually has her own YouTube channel, and she has her Instagram, so you guys go follow her. She's adorable, and yeah, she always posts really cute, fun stuff in Japan because she's been living there for like 5 years now, and I'm super jealous. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys aren't already following me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my Instagram handle here for you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!